Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the value of C. Solution: 4 raised to power C plus 6 raised to power C equal to 9 raised to power C. So let us divide through by 9 raised to power C. So we are going to have 4 raised to power C over 9 raised to power C plus 6 raised to power C over 9 raised to power C equal to 9 raised to power C over 9 raised to power C. And if we have A raised to power M over B raised to power M is equal to A over B all raised to power M. So let us apply this formula for this and this. So we are going to have here 4 over 9 all raised to power C plus 6 over 9 all raised to power C equal to, this one will give us 1. Now let us rewrite 4 over 9. 4 over 9 is equal to 2 raised to power 2 over 3 raised to power 2, which is equal to, whenever we have the same exponent, it can be written as 2 over 3 all raised to power 2. So in place of 4 over 9, let us put 2 over 3 raised to power all raised to power 2. So we are going to have 2 over 3 all raised to power 2 and all raised to power C plus, here we have 6 over 9. 6 over 9. 3 here we have 2. 3 here we have 3, which is equal to 2 over 3. So in place of 6 over 9, let us put 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 all raised to power C equal to 1. And in logarithm, if we have A over B raised to power M and all raised to power N can be written as A over B all raised to power N and all raised to power M. What I'm saying is that we can interchange the powers. So here now let us rewrite it like this. So 2 over 3 raised to power C all raised to power 2 plus 2 over 3 all raised to power C equal to 1. So let x equal to 2 over 3 all raised to power C. So here we put x, here we put x. So we are going to have x raised to power 2 plus x equal to 1. Now the next thing is that let us transpose 1 to the left hand side and the positive sign will become negative. So x raised to power 2 plus x minus 1 equal to 0. I want you to recall this quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if we compare this equation and this equation together, the coefficient of x squared is 1 here. So we can say a equal to 1 The coefficient of x here is 1. You can say b equal to 1, but our c is -1. So a equal to 1, b equal to 1, and c equal to -1. Also, I want you to record this quadratic formula, which is x equal to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let us substitute the value of our a, b, and c into this quadratic formula to determine the value of our x. So x equal to, our b is 1, we now have -1 plus or minus square root, and 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by -1. Our c is -1 over 2 multiplied by 1. So our x equal to -1 plus or minus 1 squared will give us 1. We have 1 minus 4 times 1. We have -4. -4 times -1. We have +4. +4 over 2. So x equal to -1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. So we can say our x equal to -1 plus root 5 over 2, or x equal to -1 minus root 5 over 2. Recall that x equal to 2 over 3 everything raised to power c, and if x is equal to 2 over 3 everything raised to power c, and our x can never be negative, because if c is equal to 0, that means 2 over 3 will give us 1, and if c equal to -1, 2 over 3 will give us any number, will always give us number greater than 0. But the second value of x here will give us negative, because -1 minus root 5 divided by 2 will give us negative number. So we are going to discard this answer, and we are going to work with this. So we know that x equal to 2 over 3 raised to power c. Let us substitute this value into this equation. We can say -1 plus root 5 over 2 equal to 2 over 3 all raised to power c. So let us take logarithm of both sides. So we are going to have log 2 over 3 all raised to power c equal to log -1 plus root 5 over 2. So in logarithm, we know that if we have log b raised to power a can be written as a log b. So let us apply the same principle here. So this one can be written as follows: c log 2 over 3 equal to log minus 1 plus root 5 over 2. So for us to determine C, let us divide both sides by log 2 over 3. So C equal to log minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 divided by log 2 over 3. This is the exact value of our C. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.